Here is a warning from Jerusalem: loud, direct, and potentially explosive. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Triti Yatri. Well, the Middle East tension meter has just shot up again. Diplomatic talks continue, military presentations continue, but now Israel has kind of delivered a message that is shaking global security circles. A message aimed at two very powerful audiences, Iran and the United States. And the message, by the way, it is blunt. Israel says that if certain lines are crossed, it is ready to strike Iran even if it has to act alone. Basically, the red line that could trigger a war. Let's talk about that. Israeli defense leaders are focusing on one major concern right now. That concern is Iran's ballistic missile program. Now, these are not any ordinary weapons. Ballistic missiles can travel hundreds, sometimes thousands of kilometers. They move fast, they are difficult to intercept, and they can carry devastating payloads. Israeli officials believe that Iran is rapidly improving missile accuracy, range, and production speed. In fact, according to Jerusalem, that combination could become an existential threat. But wait, why is Israel sounding the alarm now? Because Israeli security experts say that Iran's missile technology has reached a point where key cities inside Israel could be targeted with very little warning. Imagine missiles traveling across the region in minutes. Little time to act, little time to intercept. Now that is the scenario Israeli planners fear the most here. In the meantime, their Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is reportedly pushing Washington to take a tougher position against Iran's missile expansion. Sources suggest that Israel wants stronger action, stronger deterrence, and clearer red lines from the US now, because from Israel's perspective, if we see, waiting too long could allow Iran to build a missile shield that becomes impossible to dismantle later. Well, the military plan has already been on the table though. Defense insiders say Israel has been quietly preparing potential strike strategies. Now these plans, it reportedly focuses on targeting military production facility, storage bunkers, launch infrastructure, and research and development centers. The objective would be to deliver a rapid and overwhelming campaign designed to cripple Iran's missile network in just one major operation. In the end, here's the global fear. That is a solo strike that could ignite a regional firestorm. If Israel launches attack without broader international coordination, the consequences could ripple across the entire Middle East.